Welcome back to Auto Eagle USA, the home for futuristic machines, next-generation automotive breakthroughs, and exclusive early looks at the vehicles shaping tomorrow. If you love powerful engines, luxury design, and innovative technology, make sure you stay tuned because today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. In this video, we're taking a detailed look at the upcoming 2026 Mercedes S-Class, a masterpiece that blends cutting-edge engineering with breathtaking luxury. This isn't just a car, it's a vision of the future on four wheels. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class stands as a symbol of what modern automotive excellence should be. Mercedes has always pushed the boundaries with the S-Class, but this new model goes even further by blending futuristic technology, advanced electrification, and ultra-premium craftsmanship. From the outside, the car delivers a design language that feels both familiar and revolutionary at the same time. The aerodynamic body lines are sharper, more dynamic, and crafted with precision that reflects the future direction of Mercedes-Benz. The new front fascia features a sleek illuminated emblem that immediately grabs your attention, while the glossy black grille adds a sense of power and prestige. Whether you see it in red, black, silver, or white, the 2026 S-Class holds a commanding road presence that turns heads instantly. Moving around the vehicle, you'll notice the sportier stance, the aggressive LED headlights, and the refined detailing around the wheel arches. Standing on stylish black alloy wheels with red brake calipers, the S-Class doesn't just look luxurious, it looks fast. Mercedes has designed this model to not only enhance aerodynamics but also elevate visual appeal. The side profile balances elegance with performance, and the body appears sculpted to perfection, with every crease serving a purpose. At the rear, the car features a clean and futuristic design approach. An LED light bar stretches across the back, giving it a visually striking appearance at night. The subtle roof spoiler, the finely sculpted bumper, and the chrome details further enhance its premium look. It's clear that Mercedes intended this vehicle to be admired from every angle. Now let's step inside, where the 2026 S-Class truly shines. When you open the door, you're welcomed into a world where luxury meets digital intelligence. The interior is a blend of high-quality leather, precision-crafted stitching, and advanced futuristic technology. The dashboard features a full-width curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and vehicle control center into one synchronized experience. This isn't just a screen, it's an entire digital cockpit designed to elevate comfort and convenience. Ambient lighting runs seamlessly across the cabin, creating a calming, luxurious atmosphere that can be customized to your mood. Mercedes has integrated soft red, blue, white, and other tones to complement the overall cabin design. The steering wheel feels premium, with metallic accents and a sleek structure. The center console houses a massive touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment to climate settings. Even the smallest details, like the placement of the air vents and the texture of the buttons, are crafted with precision. In terms of performance, the 2026 S-Class is expected to offer a next-generation hybrid system. Mercedes continues to move toward electrification, and this model could deliver a powerful combination of electric efficiency and traditional engine power. Although full engine specifications are not yet officially confirmed, the concept suggests a highly efficient powertrain with impressive acceleration and smooth driving dynamics. With smart drive modes, advanced suspension, and next-level safety features, this S-Class promises a driving experience that is both comfortable and exhilarating. Mercedes has also focused heavily on autonomous driving technology. The 2026 model is expected to introduce enhanced autopilot features, improved sensor systems, and advanced driver assist functions that push the limits of hands-free driving. From lane keeping to intelligent braking to automatic parking, the S-Class continues to lead the luxury segment in technological innovation. What truly sets the 2026 S-Class apart is the perfect balance between luxury, technology, and performance. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of class and vision. Whether you're sitting in the front seat exploring the digital cockpit or riding in the back enjoying executive-level comfort, every moment inside this Mercedes feels premium. As the automotive industry moves toward electrification and intelligent mobility, the 2026 Mercedes S-Class stands as a reminder that luxury does not need to be sacrificed for innovation. Mercedes has crafted a masterpiece that blends futuristic styling, advanced engineering, and world-class comfort. If you're someone who values technology, prestige, and performance, this S-Class is definitely a car you'll want to keep an eye on.